Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a cabin air filter. First, open your glove box and remove all contents. Next, carefully detach the dampener arm located on the right side. Then, gently press inward on the tabs on both sides of the glove box to release it. This will allow the glove box to swing down, giving you access to the filter housing. It's a straightforward process. Once the glove box is down, you'll see the cabin air filter housing cover. There are typically two clips holding this cover in place. Gently unclip them and remove the cover. Now, carefully pull the old filter straight out of its slot. Take a moment to observe the airflow arrow on the old filter. This is crucial for correct installation of the new one. With the old filter out, grab your new cabin air filter. It's very important to orient the new filter correctly. Make sure the airflow arrow on the new filter points downwards, matching the direction you observed on the old one. Carefully slide the new filter into the housing until it's fully seated. Then, replace the housing cover and secure its two clips. Now it's time to put everything back together. First, push the glove box tabs inward again to guide it back into its original position. Reattach the dampener arm to the right side of the glove box. Finally, close the glove box firmly to ensure it latches properly. You've successfully replaced your cabin air filter, improving your vehicle's air quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.